Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Survival Specialist. Today we're gonna be cleaning my PC, which we set up about 7-8 months ago. Sabri was again with me on that day and we put the whole thing together. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this thing apart and we're gonna clean all the dust and clean all the dust filters. I'm pretty sure they're clogged up at the moment because it's actually starting to heat up a little bit. The CPU is showing temperatures much higher than what it used to. And on top of that, we're going to change the thermal paste. Now, we had the stock thermal paste on the CPU cooler, the AIO cooler, all-in-one cooler. And instead of that, we're going to apply this amazing thermal paste that we got from Amazon, which is supposed to be really, really good. And we also bought this cleaning kit as well from Amazon that is anti-static, that comes with a lot of brushes, a bunch of tweezers, and if you drop your screws into the system or something, and a bunch of other brushes as well, that's going to help us clean. And we got our screws as usual, and that's pretty much it. We're going to open this bad boy up now. Just to remind you of the configuration, I have 3 fans at the front. This is an NZXT H100x case. I have 3 stock fans that came at the front, 120 millimeter fans, and I have 220 millimeter fans at the top, which are part of the water cooler. And I've installed 2 filters at the top, and the front comes with its own filter. We're going to be showing you those as well as we go along. We're going to speed it up from this point on, and when we finish the whole thing, we'll come back and we'll talk about what we had in our hands. So let's get this started, guys. Okay, you guys, so we finished cleaning the computer. As you have seen, we've cleaned everything inside and out. It's shiny, it's got zero dust. Now, obviously, it's not going to be the same as when I bought it first, but we've tried to clean everything inside out. The best thing about this build, and as you have also seen from the footage as well, is that the dust filters did their job 100%. There was minimal dust inside the system itself, and majority of the dust was actually captured on the filters. So yeah, I'm really satisfied with that. I'm really happy, and we've reapplied the thermal paste. I will do some tests with the new thermal paste, and I will let you know in the comment section if there's been an improvement. If there hasn't been any improvement, we're gonna have to reapply that, but I'm assuming that everything is working fine. So yeah, I mean, just again, guys, I'm not a professional computer builder or anything like that. Sabri is not either. We're just building systems for ourselves, and I feel that everyone should feel encouraged to do so, because it's really not that difficult, and we just disassemble this thing on our own and put it together ourselves as well. I hope this will help you in understanding how to do this, and hopefully it will also encourage you to buy your own computer as well and build your own computer. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, go ahead and hit that like button. If you've got anything to say, you can comment down below. If you're enjoying the content from my channel, consider subscribing. This is it for the moment. Until next time, you stay alive.